Hi, my dear students. Assalamu alaikum. I think you and your family are safe. I am Laila Miss, your SS teacher. In the fifth standard, the first lesson is A Road to History. The name of our lesson is A Road to History. In this lesson, we explain what is history and its importance like that. What is history? History is the record of past events. Come on, follow me. History is the record of past events. Record of past events. In this class, we prepare a history of our school. Now, we are going to prepare or write the history of our school. What do you know about our school? May I ask some questions? Any simple questions? Okay. What is the name of our school? Okay. It is ISS Higher Secondary School, Ponnani. What is the name of our principal? Yeah. Abdul Aziz PK. Our HM name? Kidapi. Okay. How many students are studying in our school? It is a difficult one to you. About 3,000 students studying in our school. How many teachers work in our school? Above 100 teachers working in our school. What are the other facilities? What are the other facilities in our school? Okay, library, computer lab, laboratory, and the availability of playground. Okay. Where our school situated? Its district, taluk, panchayat. Okay, we know that. Now we are going to our textbook. Look at the textbook page. It is the picture of a school. Look at some points. First, okay, open your notebook. Did you write the name of our lesson? Okay, open the notebook. Write lesson 1. Underline. Okay, then you leave a line. Okay, write the name. Our lesson A Road to History. Underline the heading, and after the class you should darken the heading. Okay, and put some dots and or stars below. Firstly, you write the name of our school. Name of our school. Write fast. Okay, ISS, HSS, Ponnani. ISS, HSS, Ponnani. The next line. Name the principal. Or name of the principal. Name of our principal is Abdul Aziz PK. Abdul Aziz PK. Look at the next point in your textbook. Name of the headmistress. Name of the headmistress. Okay, Geeta P. In the next line, number of students. Number of students. 3,000. Number of students 3,000. In the next line, number of teachers 150. 150. In the next line, name of teachers. Name of teachers. You write any 5 name of your teacher. Any 5 teacher. Leave 5 lines for writing the name of the teachers. Do you write my name? Okay. After that, library. Library. We have one library. Put 1. Laboratory. Next line, laboratory. Okay, 1. Next, computer lab. Computer lab facilities. Computer lab facilities. We have 2 computer labs. One for us, the other for higher secondary. In the next line, availability of playground. Availability of playground. Look at the screen and don't make mistake. Availability of playground. Yes. Number of building. Number of building. 6. In the next line, school situated. School situated. District Malappuram. In the next line, district Malappuram. Next line, Taluk Ponnani. Taluk Ponnani. In the next line, village. Village Irvathirthi. Village Irvathirthi. Next, municipality. Municipality Ponnani. Okay, did you finish? Okay. It is the informations about the present condition of our school. Now we collect the data of the present condition of our school. What was the condition of past? What was the condition of past of our school? How we get that informations? How we get the collections? Okay, look at the next page. Look at the next page on the screen. Okay. What information to be found out? What we want? We want to get the year of establishment. We want to get the year of establishment. The next one, former teachers. We want the name of former teachers. And about the alumni. And how many buildings at the time of establishment? And many changes happen in the following years. What are they? What are the changes? How we collect these informations? From where? From where do we get this data? Look at the next line of our textbook. The name board of the school. We get the establishment year from the name board of school and play. many informations from our school diary. Have you got a school diary? Okay, everybody had a school diary. We get many informations from our school diary and the attendance register of previous year and the admission register. It shows how many students studying in our school. Okay, it is the condition of our past. This in the history of our school, it is the condition of past. In 1969, our school started. First, there was a thatched shed, not a building, a thatched shed with only one class. At first, there were only 5 students and 2 teachers. That is the condition of our school in the starting time. Okay. Now we get the informations in the present and past of our school. What we do next? Now we are going to prepare our school history. It is your homework. It is your homework. Everybody know that our homework is doing in the back side of our notebook. Okay, you should write the history of school in the notebook on the back side. Okay, let us finish our class. Have you any doubts? Firstly, we explain what is history. History is the record of past event. And after that, we explain about the present condition of our school and the past condition. And we collect the data and we are going to prepare the history of our school. It is your homework. You do today itself. Okay, Assalamu alaikum. Bye. Thank you very much.